Another spot.
You was just lame before.
Shot, I don't even know you start fucking talking to me. What the
That
fuck?
was just lame before.
No.
Y'all know it be these random ass folks in the street, bro. Like, had to put them in their play, bro.
Don't even be knowing these hoes.
I down there throw my goddamn candy at her ass.
I damn near slapped the hoe first.
Fuck you talking about? You already know. Who the fuck this is?
What the fuck?
Y'all know we downtown with the shit, man. With little twin now. Big nigga, man. With the gang, man.
Y'all, we here. Y'all know. Family dinner, we know. VIP for the, you know.
Okay, they got you, girl. They got that classic fries.
We got them K's with us.
Yeah, you know we got them K with us. Call J5, come spray him up. Chinese hoe gon' eat the door. Know she get the sucking up. I'm in the party jet with my blick.
Off again today.
Yo, hey man, we finna do a goddamn vlog today. Just dating like, man, we just woke up, goddamn. I just did some tattoos for real, but we finna go to Benihana. We finna go to Benihana. Then we probably might just get a little hotel, do some drunk games and shit like that. Man, whatever going on today, feel me. Hey man, alright know man, we went to Benihana.
Hey man.
Bit was a fail.
Fail.
We went to goddamn Nautical.
Fail.
Fail, man. We had a vape shop and got down get shit.
Yeah.
Go to another spot.
Another spot.
You was just lame before.
Shot, I don't even know you start fucking talking to me. What the
That
fuck?
was just lame before.
No.
Y'all know it be these random ass folks in the street, bro. Like, had to put them in their play, bro.
Don't even be knowing these hoes.
I down there throw my goddamn candy at her ass.
I damn near slapped the hoe first.
Fuck you talking about? You already know. Who the fuck this is?
What the fuck?
No.
I will beat your
I'm finna go
Hey,
shop.
Shot, don't say my name, young number.
You know the window was. Hey, dude, you gotta see me that motherfucker. No cap.
Hey, man. I'm about to get this big back started when we got down. Know what restaurant we going to.
Walk into the bank jet with a bag. I'm trying to bust the load. Coulda had some pussy, throw the money. Know I'm in that mode. Got some knives up in my back. You know it came from fucking hoes. Big as fuck on loyalty. I'm sticking with the bros. I ain't never did no floss. You know I got it.
That don't foot on the camera, man. Oh. Man, we got down. Oh, shit. We're really in the middle of this bitch. Let me get on this side.
Fucking lame.
Buddy left up here.
But you lame before.
Buddy left up here, man.
He know what he does. He want me to see him. I mean, where's your pig? Why you not want to see him?
I got make these niggas follow the leader, man. You feel me? We about to go to 10 Lindsay though. It's a 2-minute walk and it's right around this corner. It's right around the corner. Yes. No, it's right around this corner. Jay looked it up. It's that way? Yeah, it's at the left. You make a left. Man, that's why you don't listen to these folks, bro. Shout out why you all of my business. Shout out, I just told you what we already know what the fuck we going, man. We in the city, man. I know what the fuck I'm going, man. I already know. Look at these niggas, man. These niggas, man. With the gang, man. Hold on.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, no.
I just say what you say. Michaela. Oh, Corinne, this what we just said, the ocean.
Yeah, oh, what you trying to do? Nah, we ain't even gonna go in there.
Now you want to go eat at the ocean area. Well, it's tired of that.
Y'all already there before?
I think with Ashley, I can't remember if that was the.
You ate though?
We just said the same thing. You probably talking about this. I mean, no, I mean.
Cuts, you talking about cuts, bro?
No, I remember cuts.
Bro, her ass talking about cuts, bro. Don't listen to her ass, bro.
No, I remember cuts is when we were.
Nah, bro. You talking about cuts, bro.
No, I'm not. I know the difference between cuts. I know cuts.
Bro, you talking about cuts, bro.
His ass ain't gonna stop. He's a fucking troll and I'm finna
Ain't this where we had parked the car at? When that homely man.
Oh, we ate right there.
Yo. On God, nah, that's not Tin Lizzy, but oh, that's what we ate at. Oh shit. See, look, bro. Y'all trying to get to them folk. Them folk gonna say, I just passed. What the fuck you mean we just passed? This shit right here. You said slow down? Walk up, man. We got down ready to eat, man.
He was in the street trying to get on my mama's home. Oh, in my mama's home.
Man, she walk your cool ass up, man. Man, we in the city, man. You feel me? If I had one, hey, bro, Tin Lizzy, I've been really wanting this shit, no cap. Every time I was going to school down here, I was goddamn going to Tin Lizzy. We going to Tin Lizzy right here. Right across the street. You ever had that bit? You ain't never had no Tin Lizzy, no Benny Hunter neither? Man, we finna get you out in the city, man. You know what I'm saying? Now I know they gonna have somewhere for the city near bit. Man, what the fuck? Oh my mama. But some shit just hit my ass, my nose. I dropped the bed, the security killed me. Got down get them motherfucker. You feel me?
That's so sweet of you.
Weird, open door. Nah, you go. Ladies first. Come on, they already seen it. They just had a quick here. Okay, cool. Brow stoves in. Oh shit, they gave us a little. Oh, we got a little corner mall. Man. We got a little corner mall, man.
We in our own little section. Y'all, we here. Y'all know.
Man.
Family dinner. We know. VIP for the,
Okay, they got your girl. They got that classic fries.
I go here so much, I already know what I'm doing.
It sound good.
I already know what I'm getting. Let me show y'all. One time. Right here. Come on. You feel? Getting that motherfucker right there. I flipped it more over. Then I'm finna get right here.
I didn't want those. Well, they got buffalo tacos.
Exactly. And look what it's already on.
Exactly.
Yeah. Very much. You want some what, twin?
Ice cream. I think it comes with ice cream.
You do? No, it's that whipped cream.
I'm with little shit.
You ain't got no ice cream.
She talking to the folk, man. I need some more tattoos.
I need a lemon drop. Let me get started with a lemon drop.
You finna get started with a lemon drop?
I need something to drink.
Fast. I need a fork.
Well, lemon drop. Okay, cool.
I think you got to order that.
I think I can do it. I got it.
Y'all know we downtown with the shit, man. With little twin, you know. We ain't got down parade shit, man.
Yes. That's a white line.
Yo, Lamar. Okay, cool. Man. Y'all, boy, man, y'all already know I had to go buffalo shrimp, fried jalapeno. Shawty went. Where the hell she went? Okay, cool. What is it, twin?
Korean barbecue.
Okay, cool. Mark had no chicken tender, no sauce. He's that trippy. What she get? Steak, Philly steak. She got Philly steak. No man, these folks done left. These folks still in the parade and shit. I'm out there right now. Eat these beat. Hit y'all that. Y'all know we ain't got no spot until you got no.
Boom with the 10 out of 10. Let's try again.
You know what I'm saying? I already told them folk, man, go to Tin Lizzy, man. We already see the 20 fucking sit up. Big bite.
I'm doing the block.
Okay, come on, mukbang. We're going. Okay. Damn, Phoenix.
Oh, I thought you was probably
I don't know shit.
What's up?
I'm fucked up.
I'm at a business meeting.
Man, I'm a business meeting.
Yeah, sorry, y'all pay attention.
Skinny niggas for the win, man. I'm goddamn. I'm drunk, but I'm not that. I'm fully fucked, bro. I'm fully fucked off the food, no cap. I ain't even touch the rest of this shit, bro. Bro, I still got a whole taco and shit, bro. How about you still got another taco on the way? You still got another taco on the way?
No, I ate it. I gave it to them.
Whoa, what the fuck? She ate her shit, I'm still on 2. She done ate 4 of them hoes, ain't it?
Why you sending me with
On
shirt?
her.
No shirt, baby.
Eat the drink, bro.
This shit's like
I drunk that shit,
Man, fuck all that tongue. We back in the motherfucking building. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all already know. Go subscribe. I'm finna start my channel soon. You know, I gotta give myself a shout out.
Okay, cool.
You know, food was real good. Mark, what you rated?
I rate that bitch 10. I only had chicken tender.
So you don't get the break. Anyway, so you don't get the break. Michaela, what you rated?
So I had the Philly and the chicken tacos, and I rated
And the steak. Don't forget the steak. Yeah. I mean, what you rated? He lying.
I had the
Oh, Faye, what's
had
going
the
on?
pasta
Kim K, you had a lobster?
I had a pasta lobster.
But if it don't sell no pasta, man, I rate my shit a 10, but I just couldn't finish 10 just off the drink, man. They got me there fast, you hear me? I'm out here yelling at TikTok, I'm a grown ass man. You feel me? Twin that got the drip on though. What the hell's here, Twin?
Oh, Rick, you know, Rick on the shoe pond, Angels on the motherfucker.
Yeah. Okay, oh, Twin got the Ricks too. We can go Rick on Rick. Okay, cool. What they doing? Okay, cool.
They get to mine, sugar.
He's on the mother. What say? What say, Twin? Oh shit. Okay, cool. So I'm with my Rick partners.
100,000 on the chain.
Man, okay, boo.
Let's say he got ice ball.
Twin got no ice ball motherfucker.
We got ice ball.
Hustlers never die, man.
We would have thought he was.
Twin got that come on, they got with the 60. Twin got that hot shit on, literally. Hot shit. Yeah. You feel me? What I say? What the back of that motherfucker say? My soulmate probably me, you hear me? Hey man. Y'all know Ringo song, all black motherfucker.
Gang, associate.
We don't give a fuck. One of this, let's stop. Hold on. Let's do it. Let's go to the parking garage, man. Let's hit these motherfuckers, man. Man, we about Baby Ring. Baby Ring.
Baby ring.
Yeah, that's my YouTube. Nigga with Baby Ring for real, in real life, man. Nah, look. You can see yourself though. Anyway. Yeah.
I don't think these
Hey,
say little game past
I'm out this bitch drunk as hell, no cap. Hey man. Yeah, this bitch do take pictures. I'm trying to get those pictures taken. Okay, boo.
Oh, we need to get some liquor.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the video I said
How long the light coming this way?
Oh, Asia, what happened to your fucking taco?
Huh? It's in here.
Oh, what the hell? You got your taco upside down and shit.
Hey!
What the hell? Hey, bro, where we going, man? Come on, man. Where the parking garage at, man? I'm drunk. I'm getting distracted too fast. Damn. Yo. Yo, we about to green buildings, man. We about to green projects, man. Y'all niggas don't even know, man. We really downtown for real, yeah. Yo. You drink out here later. Yeah, huh? What's up, T-Way?
That's not me. That's not you. Nope.
Hold on. Johnny's Chicken and Waffle. Oh shit, this the parking garage? Oh, this bitch got security in there, hoe. How the fuck this parking garage got security? What the hell? Hey, one of y'all lift up the gate and we just gonna drive out. On some smooth shit. These 2 hours. Hey man. It was a goddamn good ass little vlog, man. We finna go smoke a blizzy, man. So let me get in that hole, man. Blow.
Bro, I got the stick, I fucked around and made a monster damn. Won't believe she pregnant till she put the test up in my hand. Remember sleeping on the floor, I always had some clothes. Yeah, I could've.